Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi.
Good morning friends. Today I would like to discuss how to form the partial differential equation from the functions of the type f of u comma v equal to 0, where u and v are the functions of x, y and z. Here we have to eliminate this f function as well as its derivatives. There are two methods with us. Okay, first method I will discuss here. If f of u comma v is equal to 0 is a given function, if we differentiate it partially with respect to x, then left hand side by a composite function type, as f is a function of u and v are the functions of x, y, z, I can write it as whenever differentiating partially this one with respect to x, dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x equal to 0. That I can write it as shifting to the right hand side, dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x equal to minus dou f by dou v into dou v by dou x. Similarly, differentiating f of uv equal to 0 with respect to y, I am getting dou f by dou u into dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou v, and v is a function of y, therefore dou v by dou y. And again shifting this dou f by dou v into dou v by dou y on the left hand side, it will become negative. If you divide these two, this dou u by dou x, dou f by dou y cancels, minus dou f by dou v, dou f by dou v cancels, will remain with dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y, which is equal to dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. This will become a, whereas second method to form the PDE for this type, where u and v are the functions of x, y, z. The PDE is of the form we are going to get it as a PP plus QQ equal to R type. This type of equations, partial differential equations, are known as Lagrange's equations. Here, this capital P I can evaluate using the Jacobian as P equal to dou of uv divided by dou of xy. And how to take this denominator x, y and z? Cyclically we have to take x, y, z. While calculating p, that is the coefficient of p with respect to x, here eliminating, that means x we are not taking, cyclically we are taking first y and z, first case. Therefore dou of uv divided by dou of yz. This we know that Jacobian, dou u by dou y and dou v by dou u by dou z. Second row will become dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. Like that, while calculating q is a coefficient of small q, dou u by dou y. Therefore, eliminating this y, I have to consider z and x. Cyclically I am going, or clockwise I am moving here. Therefore, I will take it as a second, as dou u by dou y divided by dou z by dou x Jacobian I have to evaluate. Similarly, while calculating r, the right hand side, it is not a coefficient of anything. Therefore, here xy I have to take again clockwise. I will take this one as 3. This is to calculate capital P, this is to calculate Q, and this is to calculate capital R. And in this method, I have to follow that z is not a function of x and y. Z is also one of the variable we have to treat in this particular method. Okay, so let me solve examples on this method. Okay, first example I would like to solve here. Form the PDE by eliminating a function f of x square plus 2yz comma y square plus 2xz equal to 0. Here u is equal to x square plus 2yz and v is equal to y square plus 2zx. Therefore, let me partially differentiate this one with respect to x and y. Dou u by dou x is equal to 2x plus 2y constant, and z is dou z by dou x. Like that, dou u by dou y is equal to 0 plus y into z. Z is again a function of x and y here. Therefore, we have to apply the product rule here. 2 times 2y into dou z by dou y plus 2z into partial differential of y is 1. Like that, dou v by dou x is equal to 0 plus z and x are the z is a function of x and y. Therefore, again product rule here. 2z into 1 plus dou z by x in dou z by dou x into x. Like that, dou v by dou y will get 2y plus 2x is constant, dou z by dou y, partial derivative of z with respect to. And we know that by first method, we know that formula as dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y must be equal to dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. Substituting here, dou u by dou x is nothing but 2 I will take common, x plus y into p I will write, denoted by, again 2 is taken common, 2 into taken y 2 common, z plus y into dou z by dou y is nothing but q, which is equal to dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x, again here 2 is taken common, z plus x into p divided by 2 is taken common again from the dou v by dou y, y plus x q, and here 2 cancels, cross multiply and solve in the form of pp plus qq equal to r form. Therefore, cross multiplying will get x plus yp into y plus xq is equal to z plus xp into z plus yq. Simplify this product, xy plus x square q plus y square p plus x y p q, left hand side. Like that, right hand side will become z square plus z or z y q plus x p z plus x y p q. On both sides, x y p q cancels, and from I will take y square p and this one to the left side. Therefore, y square and this is to the left side will become minus xz into p, and again I will take the q containing terms, x square q, xy q, taking the left hand side, x square minus yz into q equal to z square minus xy. Here this is of the form pp plus qq equal to r type.